Happy New Year, Highlighters! Actually, ang dami kong backlogs. Ang rami na nag-message sa akin. Ang rami daw promo. May promo dito, may promo doon, may promo dyan. Hindi ko na siya nabibidyohan at nabipicturean. And actually, yung iba hindi ko pa na-unbox like this one. Diba? The M&M and the Auntie Anne's blind box and the capybara ng Zeus Coffee. And more, actually, hindi lang to. Kasi iba, natabunan na. But for this video, I'm going to unbox the holiday surprise City Cafe blind box by 7-Eleven. Since I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, yan, di na ako nakita. Looking forward naman, makompleto na natin lahat and makuha natin si Parol. Yeah. So for this one, let's start with the first cup. Total of 20 lahat siya. First one, uy, I got a snowman. Here's the bell. Yay! Ha. I got the reindeer baby. Okay, next one is cute. Ano to? Gift? Yeah, surprise gift. Duplicate. Wait. Snowman duplicate. Uy! We got a new design and here's the floppy gloves. Oh, it's a gloves. Ay, ang ganda. Uy! Hindi, Christmas gift na naman. Ooh, I got the bell. Another duplicate. It's a Christmas gift. 1, 2, 3. Ay, it's a Christmas socks. Hey, new design. Ganda. Ay, reindeer. Hey, alam ganda nito. Alam, meron na siyang bell. Kasi, we got the gloves. It's a socks. Another Santa Claus. No, it's another reindeer. Ala, unang bigo ng taon. I got the bell. Hala, duplicate. And the last one, I got Christmas gift. So we got 2 snowman, 3 wish bells, 3 reindeers. No, 4 pala. 4 Christmas gifts, 3 gloves, 2 socks, and 2 Santa Claus. At nakakainis. Kulang pa tayo ng parol. Anyway, let's hope for the best at sana makompleto natin to. Anyway, that's all for now, Highlighters. See you on the next unboxing video.